All right, Junksters, let's talk about urgency list. So a lot of times you're going to be completely full. Your schedule is just hemorrhaging and you have no time to go anywhere else. And somebody calls and says something like, I hired somebody else to do it, but they're gone, or I have to have it done today, I forgot, yada, yada, blah, blah, whatever. So here's what you do, even if you think you can't get to them. Tell them that you look pretty full. I don't know if I can get to you today. I'm going to do my darndest to get to you. I'm going to put you on the urgency list so that if somebody cancels, or if a job is shorter than what I think it is, or if I look at the schedule a little bit later on and I see we're going to be close by, we'll swing on by. I'm going to put you on for this time, but there's no guarantee what time I'm going to get there. I'll call you, get in contact with you, give you an idea of when I'm going to be there, and I promise I'm going to do everything I can to get to you. It's a great way to make sure that you still get that job. You're not going to lose that customer. And hey, down the road, this could be a repeat customer. He's going to call you because you did everything you could to get to him. So urgency list, use it.